This is the employer's voice. This video is for the employer who opens the doors every morning, not knowing what challenge will walk in next. The employer who is not backed by a legal department. The employer who cannot afford costly mistakes. The employer who simply wants to run a business, sustain his family, and employ people. That employer is exactly who Niasa exists for. Many have heard our name. You have seen us in the news, in the courts, in the media, challenging harmful policies, engaging in national debates, taking on complex legal battles. And perhaps you have thought, that is all very impressive. But what does that have to do with me? Yes, we fight the legal battles. We challenge irrational policy. We stand against legislation that makes it harder to run a business. We make sure the employer's voice is heard. But we do that for one reason, you. Every law passed, every regulation introduced, every policy left unchallenged lands on your desk. It becomes your responsibility, your risk, and your problem. So someone has to stand up for you. That someone is Niasa. Here is what truly matters. The real pressure in business is not always the headline issue. It is the daily decision, and it starts the moment you employ someone. What are the correct steps when an employee becomes a problem? Am I complying with labor legislation? What happens if I get it wrong? What do I do when there's a dispute? These are not theoretical concerns. They carry real consequences. When your employee lodges an unfair dismissal claim and you do not know where to turn, Niasa is there. When a union comes knocking and you are unsure of your rights, Niasa is there. When you are navigating compliance, contracts, and ever-changing obligations, Niasa is there. We provide practical, hands-on support. We guide you before problems arise. We stand with you when they do. Niasa is built on a simple principle. Employers should have access to consistent, reliable support, not just when things go wrong every day. We are not just an employers organization. We are your legal support, your compliance advisor, your industry voice. Structured to make real protection accessible to small and medium employers, the very employers who need it most, because South Africa is not an easy place to be an employer. The regulatory burden is heavy. Labor legislation is complex. The consequences of getting it wrong, even unintentionally, can be severe. You should not have to face that alone. You should not have to second-guess every decision. You should not have to navigate this environment without support. Niasa offers not just services, not just advice, but confidence. Confidence to make decisions. Confidence to manage your workforce. Confidence to grow your business without constant fear of missteps. Becoming part of Niasa means becoming part of something bigger, a collective voice, a support structure, a partner that understands what it takes to run a business in South Africa. We are here for the big battles because they shape your environment. But more importantly, we are here for the daily battles, the ones that determine whether your business survives. We are here for the everyday employer, the true backbone of this economy. If you are that employer, then Niasa is here for you.